Alright, hey, welcome back to another video. As you can see, my hair is still red and I have these big braids in it. This is not going to be a really long video. It's going to be actually really short. It is a Monday evening and I do have work tomorrow, so I know in my last video I was like, it's time for me to get my eyebrows done, but I did not get them done yet. I'll probably get them done sometime this week. I'm not sure because y'all know how I love to get my eyebrows done. Okay, anyways, so I decided to braid my hair into these big box braids because I want to curl them. So what I did was I used the brush and I combed my braids out. So I used the brush and I was just combing them out and making them nice and soft, and I was basically like detangling them. Once I detangled them, I braided them into these braids right here, and now I'm gonna proceed to put them in hot water. Now the goal is for it to come out looking curly, maybe roughly a little new, but not necessarily that new, because everybody knows when you like first get your hair done and then looking all new, like it sometimes it just don't look right until it get like a little bit old, like a week old or whatnot. And I've had this for a week since I've done it. It's a little dry, so I gotta grease it and do all that stuff, which I'm gonna do tonight. The hint as to why I'm gonna dip these in hot water now, and after I dip them in hot water, I will get in the shower, and before I go to bed, I will grease them. So I'm gonna take you through that process right now. Got my hot boiling cup, and I do have more hot water on the stove, and have my towel just so I don't burn myself. So I'm gonna dip. I think I'm gonna I'll just do this one. So I'm gonna dip them one more time. This is cute. You will also rock your hair like this too. It'll be nice and pretty. Excuse me, August. I'm gonna just go outside. Hey, let's see this for some. I'm gonna take these braids out. Let me see how they look. So nice outside. Look at August. He loves being outside. Sorry y'all, but my camera died. But this is the finishing touches. This is how it looks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you like, comment,